All right, welcome everyone. How you guys doing out there today? Welcome one, welcome all. I'm just gonna do a really quick update for everybody and see what the heck is going on here. Okay, so listen, we broke up into our box, our E-Wave box. I'm not really convinced right now. I don't. It's okay. This is all right. I would like to have seen a little more velocity to the downside. Okay, so you see our RSI. We kind of have a trend line that we could probably draw in there. You know what I'm saying? Some kind of something like this, right? Something like that. But and it's kind of channeling up a little bit too. So, we kind of got a little bit of a channel thing going right here. Now, it's a little on the descending side for me. Now, you can get, this is why I have this other arrow back up here, is because I think if we come down here, right, we'll do something like this. I still think even if we come down here, check that. Right, then all we would do is just bounce right up here. You know what I'm saying? Something like this right here is possible. What I don't like is I don't like that we have not really, we haven't created a lower low. Now, we created a lower low and a lower high with our RSI. That is bearish, but I want to break this area down here, especially where this vamp fib is, right? I want to break where this... I want to break this area again, and the issue is we really want to break this. I mean, look at this little thing. This is just chunky right here. This is super chunky. This is like a fat kid at the snack buffet right here. Not going to get out of your way until he's full. Okay, like this area is really, really solid. I want to see this broken and closed below until I'm really comfortable, right? Until I'm not going to be comfortable till we're below this. And honestly, I could just take this. Now, you guys, listen, I'm moving this. Don't troll me. I'm moving a correct arrow, okay? Don't troll me. All right, so I'm scooting this over right here, right? Until we break this region, we could get a bounce back up, right? We could totally get a bounce back up here if we don't break this region, right? So I'm gonna type that in there, right? This is the fat kid, right? Right? Not gonna. This is that. That's it. You gotta get this. It's like a blocker right there. Okay, you gotta break this. You gotta close below this. Otherwise, this is just gonna bounce again, right? We're gonna bounce here, and we're gonna retest back up here. And this is my biggest fear right now in my short. Is I think that, and you know what, people ask me all the time, Vamp, what's your position? Vamp, what's your position? Vamp, what's your position? And guys, I don't like to call my positions out here. I did put my position back over here, right? I put it in the members area, right? Where was it at? So last night when we got right to here, right? When we got right to here, right, when we got right up here, right, this was late last night, I opened up a small short, right? I opened up a short. I said I also have a small short set from here at 39.50, right? That's right here, 39.50, actually a little bit lower, right? I got 39.50 and another one at 40.45, and look at that. I think I missed this. I haven't even opened my trade up. I'm a little mad at myself right now. But I think I missed this short right there. Okay? Now, I just don't like this, though, until this breaks. Okay? So, until this thing breaks this wedge right here, right, I'm going to chunky this up. Let's go here. All right, we'll go like that. Do the border like that. Right? Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. This needs to get broken or we can bounce again. Right? This needs to get broken or we're going to bounce again, okay? It's that simple. Let me change this. I'm going to make this a little darker. Right? So I'm going to move this now, right? I'm coming all the way back down here, all right? Okay. So this has got to get broken or we're going to bounce again. It's that simple. Now, how high can our bounce go? Honestly, our bounce can run all the way up here, right? This can run all the way up here if we get a bounce, right? Now you can go back up. You can test this again right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dot this line up. And boop, there we go. And I'm going to do another one. Right? You break that. You could break that. Right? I want to see this gets broken, right? This is it. This is the biggest thing we have to do right now. All right. Give me 1 second here. All right. Yeah, that's just my biggest concern right now is this. Until this is broken, I think this can bounce. So for me, I'm just going to slide my stop loss down into profit, right? I'm not too happy about here. And or you can do it. I'm possibly going to do a hedge trade, right? I could do a hedge trade here also until this is broken. I don't like this. This is still super heavy resistance as we've seen with these. Look at close, 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 close. This is a lot of support now. It's a lot of support right here. This has got to get broken, got to come all the way down here. It's got to break this wedge line, right? I'll slide this down right there. Right? It's got to break this wedge line, and it's got to come down here and test this. Now, I would prefer to see this bounce off of here just like that. That's what I would prefer to see. Okay? That's what I would hope to see right here. If this came all the way down, did our bouncy bounce like that. Okay? But this is kind of where I'm at. This is what I'm thinking. And let's take a look at a couple of the other indicators that we have open. ADX chart not showing us anything, still a downtrend. MACD still rolled over. And RSI, there's our channel right there. So yeah, nothing else. This is it. This is all I got. And thank you all so much. I will catch you all soon.